regulated brokers land the partners and investors they really want? Let's break it down.
Because when serious money is on the line, trust isn't just assumed, it has to be verified.
And let's be clear, high-value partners aren't looking at your retail offers.
And nope, they're definitely not impressed by your latest bonus campaign either.
What they actually care about is your public visibility, your footprint.
Which brings us to a huge mistake a lot of brokers make about regulation.
See, a license just lets you operate. PR is what gives you the credibility to actually grow.
At the end of the day, investors bet on a solid reputation, not just a piece of paper.
So let's put ourselves in their shoes for a second. What are they thinking?
They're asking these questions, and your About Us page just isn't going to cut it.
So which of these two feels safer to you? It's obvious, right? Visibility builds trust.
And that's where strategic public relations comes in. It's how you build that credibility.
Don't confuse it with advertising. Advertising is promotion. PR, well, PR is proof. Because on the flip side, being invisible in public is a massive red flag.
In this business, silence doesn't create mystique. It just creates doubt.
Okay, so how do you fix this? Let's map it out.
But first, here's what not to do. You've got to avoid these common traps.
Instead, your action plan should look more like this. It all comes down to consistency.
When you get this right, your license becomes more than a requirement. It's a real opportunity.
The difference is stark. PR opens doors that were definitely closed before.
So if you remember one thing from this, let it be this simple fact.
Your license makes you legal, but it's PR that makes you credible.
So you have to ask yourself, do you want to be just another broker or an institutional brand?